Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Occasionally I get a saw in here that's had some issues that they've had a little issue trying to find it. This one's been to a couple shops. It's a 450 Husky. The issue is it's hard to start when it's hot. I've been fortunate enough through the years to have a hydraulic brake system here to test the chainsaws. Basically, it just puts the saw under a load, making the saw think it's cutting a large piece of wood. Fully adjustable. With a heat gun, I can check temperatures, determine what's going on with the saw, rather than spend time on my logs, which I do occasionally if I'm worried about the cutting abilities of the saw, but I hate to burn up my logs for that. Anyway, here's what the system looks like. It's very old, vintage. If you ever find one, just be careful. They're not safe as far as meeting all the OSHA requirements. Be well aware of that. But anyway, I use this one carefully, and I'll fire it up and show you how it works. Basically what I'm going to do is start it up, and I'll put the saw under a tremendous load. I'll get it hot, and then I will turn it off, and that's called heat sink, letting the heat rise up around all the components. And we're going to test to see if the ignition is breaking down or the carburetor's breaking down, and that'll tell us quite a bit. And 10 degrees on the exhaust. .323 on the cylinder. We're going to let it sit there for about a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. I'll get back with you and we'll run another heat test. Put a constant 325 on the cylinder. Give it a start while it's hot now and see how it starts. It's starting to flood. It's wanting to flood. That carburetor's got some issues on it. We'll let it set for a little bit and try it again. Get a few more pools here, and it's flooded. That's what it's doing when it gets hot. So we'll go into that carburetor and see if it's fixable.